Like your daddy.
Hey, you're Miss America. Hey, good. Oh, don't be so jealous. Be quiet. You're so jealous. What has pink pink necklace Miss America?
Kirsty? Cathrine?
No.
Like a big patty cake.
This is
Patty cake, patty cake.
Oh no. Look how
patty cake, patty cake. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Throw it in the oven.
Brother, throw the plate in the oven. Throw it in the oven. Hello, Mr. Dora. Hello there.
Can you get him from
Hello, Cathrine. Hello, Cathrine. Hello, Ballhead. Hello, Molly.
Go.
Good morning. Yes, choose another time. Good morning. I make it tough. Daddy, I want to do one more thing before it runs all out.
Drop.
I can drop too.
Today is April 19th, 20th. And we're going and we're going to state conference and Easter was a couple weeks ago. And our Easter finals.
Hey, brother.
And James has lost a tooth. Show him your tooth. He's got two little teeth. And there's a worm on the ground. Wave goodbye. We got to get to Sacramento. We'll be
Bye. I have new shoes and a new dress. Daddy, a tulip has came out.
Look at that Cancun. Look at mommy. Come on. Do it again. Come on. Come on, Cancun. Oh, Cancun. How's that? Jamie used to do that.